So, for everyone that thinks I'm a lazy bastard, I'll show you. I'll just go and jet watch my bike now. Oh. Oh my god, he's beat me to it, hasn't he?
Motherfucker stuck in your picture, middle finger out the window, getting fucked off. Liquor, get loaded, can't control it, nigga. Pass me the blood, let me.
Snow foamed up, motherfucker.
Snow foamed up. The impression's not changed of the old muck off jet wash, no?
No, it ain't got the fucking power of that other one. The cheap one was better. We'll see whether it lasts any better than fucking that other one.
Do you hold many hopes for it, Ogg, or not?
Don't know, mate. They've all got the same shitty insides. They just put a fucking muck off sticker on the charges more.
Hey, that's a good brush, isn't it?
You bought that? Best Buy, ain't it?
Bought but never used by me.
Never cleaned down under it.
You're asking the wrong person. You're asking the wrong person, aren't you, Ogg? Out that's not cleaned properly, that's down to you. I give it a little fucking
wet wipe, fucking wipe.
No, I've got a bit of detailer spray that I just use with a bit of fucking microfiber, get the flies off, that's all. The only time it has a decent wash is when it comes down here.
More shit in this bucket than fucking fucking scratched the fork.
Yeah, there's no 2 bucket fucking trick on my bike, is there, Ogg? It's just fucking put it in, get a stone in and fucking rub it all over it.
This has probably got dirt off my fucking chain last time I washed it.
You're a dirty fucker, you are. Your box empty?
No.
Got a bit what? Got a bit of stir fry take.
Fuck off.
What?
Got a bottle of Prosecco.
Yeah.
Got fucking tests.
Got what test?
Tests.
Oh, some COVID test. Yeah, just got, what have you got me? Fucking hell, Ogg.
Where'd you get them from?
It's only rolling away, eh?
What?
You got COVID test?
Got one for, like, Dad, because she's feeling a bit rough. So I was going from,
And he's
from
run
his
out.
house.
So.
Yeah, we ain't getting any anymore.
You've only that, like that, and 4 packets of phone.
You're a good.
Oh,
I
we've not
tell
got,
you,
got room for 4 packets or something.
4 packets of prawn cocktail crisps because you don't like them.
I've got a bottle of Prosecco. What else have we got in there? It's all your shit. You should know.
There weren't much in there, was there? It's only the Prosecco, wasn't it?
It's all your shit.
No, bought
Every
it,
end of
but
my
never
finger
ended
off
up
it.
drinking it because I felt a little bit homosexual. Got pissed up first day on the bottle, didn't I? And then I felt a little bit gay. They're all motorbikers, aren't they? Can't be getting Prosecco out.
What you need?
I would have done if
our
Oggy held the glass.
What you need to do is get a bottle of wine, day stuff, drink it, and then take it with you empty and pour your Prosecco in it. That.
I should have asked Craig for his empty wine bottle, shouldn't I?
Yeah, that's what Craig does.
What, is he on Prosecco all the
I
time?
think he's on water, really.
Fucking Ribena.
Ribena in it.
Hey?
Are you supposed to drink that?
What?
Prosecco?
Yeah, but it's a woman's drink, isn't it? That's all I'm saying.
What do you have there?
And I'm all man, as you know. Bloody hard life, innit? Having a lolly. What?
What have we done since we've been back? Because I've been a lazy bastard. I've unloaded my bike, set my tent up.
Hmm.
What else have I done? I can't think what else I've done. Oh, so I've started this.
Hmm.
What have you done?
Pulled round here.
I know you've been busy.
Been sat on toilet for about 20 minutes. Till my leg turned dead because I needed another poo. Right, well. Quick update. Oggy's still going at my bike. I'll just give myself brain freeze.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret and frenemies. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.